Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I just want to show y'all some of the easiest Christmas tree lights you can put on your tree. Okay, I bought something else like this years ago. They had the big bulbs, but this here, what it is, 10 strings of lights. They come on like a star shape. And the star shape, you put it on top of your tree, right at the very top. And you unwrap each string of lights as you put them on your tree. So it's 10 strings in all. So I'm going to show you my tree. But I had bought 2 boxes, but one box did the trick for a 7.5 foot tree. Let me show you. Okay, I'm going to show you. See right at the very top, this is the thing that goes right on top of the tree, because I stuck that star in there. So the star right here, it has 10 strings of lights, and they got the little bitty twinkle lights like that. So it's 10 of them. And like I said, one box did my whole 7.5 foot tree. So it would do up to a 9 foot tree. So let me get back to my review. So I usually have many strings of, separate strings of little twinkle lights. And we have to wrap them round and round the tree and then plug in another string of lights to that plug. The end of that plug, I ain't have to do that this time. I got that one thing of lights, and it plugs into one outlet. You don't have to be getting power strips and all that kind of stuff to try to figure out how we're going to not plug too many into one outlet. You don't want to blow everything. So these are the best. For real. And it has where you can set it to flash, or it has different modes you can put it on, but I like the twinkle, the slow twinkle mode. They got a mode that will probably give you epilepsy. If you got epilepsy, you have a seizure, because like that. I ain't want nothing like that, but you can set it for that if you want to. You like that psychedelic stuff. It comes in warm white, cool white, and multicolor. I like the multicolor. So one box will do it. And what brand is this? Ain't no brand. I will leave a link for this. I got it from Amazon. It was $22. And it says it's indoor, outdoor, durable, cool to touch. Yeah, those lights don't get hot at all. So I highly suggest getting this, and you can eliminate all them 11 million strings of lights for real, and just plug it into one outlet, and they look good. Don't tell me my tree don't look good. Okay, so I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay.